Hello, I'm John Darling, and today I'll be talking with you about the integration between Microsoft Viva and Microsoft Teams. We'll be discussing three of the most popular features of Microsoft Viva: Viva Engage, Viva Learning, and Viva Insights. Viva Engage is an employee experience platform that helps foster better communication, collaboration, and engagement within an organization. You may know it better by its former name, Microsoft Yammer. It provides a digital hub where employees can connect, share knowledge, and stay up to date with company news and events. Viva Engage facilitates employee feedback and sentiment analysis, helping organizations like yours understand the pulse of their workforce and take necessary actions to improve employee satisfaction. Viva Learning is an LMS platform designed to enhance employee learning and development. It brings together various learning resources such as online courses, training materials, and internal knowledge repositories in SharePoint into an easily accessible hub within Microsoft Teams. Viva Learning already integrates with many popular learning management systems and content providers like LinkedIn, and it allows your employees to discover, share, and engage with learning content directly from their existing digital workspace in Microsoft Teams. Viva Insights is a module within Viva that focuses specifically on employee well-being, productivity, and work-life balance. It leverages data from Microsoft 365 tools and other connected systems to provide personalized insights and recommendations to individuals and organizations. Viva Insights helps employees understand their work patterns, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their productivity and well-being through helpful notifications and portals within Microsoft Teams. If you're interested in expanding your use of Microsoft Teams to include Viva and one of its many features, please let us know. We're excited and happy to help at Velosio expand your Microsoft 365 universe to include Viva and Teams. Thanks. Bye.